The sheet metal bend and joint table provide additional ways to modify a sheet metal part. A common use case for this is optimizing the flat pattern for manufacturing. Labels appear next to each bend. Hover or click a bend to highlight it inside the other views. Right-click on a bend name to move the bend up or down the list. Input a new value inside the radius cell to change an individual bend radius. Modifying this value either adds a modified joint feature to the features list or updates the bend radius value if using the bend feature. The bend table lists every bend angle and bend direction for this part. As the angle or bend direction changes, the table updates accordingly. Based on the sheet metal model feature settings, K-factor, bend allowance, or bend deduction appear in the last column. Input a new value to change an individual bend. To convert a bend to a rip joint, right-click on a bend inside the table and select Convert Bend to Rip. The converted bend moves to the joint table. When converted, a new modified joint feature appears in the features list. The joint table provides additional ways to modify individual joint styles. Similar to the bend table, labels appear next to each joint. Hovering or clicking a joint highlights that joint inside the other views. Expand the type drop-down next to a joint to convert it from a rip into a bend. Similar to the Make Joint feature, the Style field changes how the two flanges meet at the joint. Choose from an edge joint or butt direction 1 or 2 to create an over or underlap joint.